Hi, my name is Mike Sputore. I'm the general manager here at Mancuso Bowling Center. We just had everything screened and recoated, all of our wood lanes and approaches. We got all new pins for this season. We're really excited for our league play. Our league numbers are coming in pretty well thus far. We have leagues for everyone, kids, adults, couples. We have a great junior program here at Mancuso Bowling Center. We're really excited for our Rock and Bowl. We put in all new scoring last year. It's called the Brunswick Sync System. It has a bunch of games for kids, Angry Birds. There's team building exercises we can do on them. We're really excited for this year. We've been working with Kegel with our lane machine and a new oil pattern for our house shot and for tournament play. So we got a lot of exciting things happening this year. We are, same ownership group with TF Brown's, which is our restaurant. Great food, nightly specials, and afternoons. They've got their birthday wings back. Forever, however old you are, you get that many wings. It's a great promotion, and it's done very well for us. Yeah, bowling is a lifelong sport. All handicapped leagues. It's just a great team, family atmosphere, family fun, friends. It's great for everybody. With disabilities, we cater to each and everything with the bumper lanes and the ramps. It's a lot of fun for all the kids and adults to do as a family.